So this is the kneader feeder, and this is Tallulah, and this is a lifesaver. I have had 4 dogs. Tallulah is our 4th golden retriever, and this is the most amazing product, and I couldn't imagine using anything else with a dog. Kneader feeder, the name is perfect. Let me show you parts to this. Now first, it comes with 2 stainless steel bowls. This is the large size. Tallulah is about 63 pounds, and the large size is perfect for her. We have 1 feed dish, 1 water dish, and these are stainless steel, which is so important to me to help keep my dog healthy. So you have 2 bowls, and then here are the components of the feeder. So this is the top, okay, and this is the bottom. It also comes with, we don't use them, but if you have a taller dog, it comes with legs, 4 legs, that you can raise this up off the floor. But it's perfect the way it is for us. We do not need the extensions for the legs. So you have this dish on the bottom, okay? This is going to catch the water. And then what happens is you take this, the top part, and this gets set right down into here. So it just goes right in there, okay? And there is your feeder. Now this top part, if you can see here, you see the holes here. So if your dog is dripping water and drooling all over the place, this is a catch where the water can drain down and go into the bottom, and it's not going to leak all over the floor. Now, for the food, you put the food in here. Your dog is eating. There is a lip here. The food will not fall out onto the floor. With having this here, all of the edging, it keeps the mess in the kneader feeder. It's not on the kitchen cabinets. It's not on the walls. It's not getting all over the floor. And it truly keeps everything, the mess from dogs eating, it keeps it contained. And that is a huge win for us. In the past, we used to have a mat, you'd put it on the floor, you'd set the bowls, and it would still be it would be a mess. You'd have to clean it up all the time. This is set it, forget it. Yes, we clean it, but it's not something you have to do daily, and it is something that keeps your kitchen clean or wherever you feed your dog, and it saves time and makes life easier. And the bowls, they sit right in there, okay? They don't slide all over the place. So the other part of this is for your dog. This is a great thing for you, but for your dog, it's also great for them because they are eating. They have an elevated dish, which, as we know, it'll be easier on them to eat with an elevated dish. They'll have less gas. It helps with digestion. And then everything is right there and makes it simple for them. So this is Tallulah. Now, the water dish is in there. Okay, it sits in there nice. I have this in a little corner here in the kitchen. And you can see how the height of it compared to Tallulah, and she's going to eat now. And the bowl, Tallulah, wait. Okay, so I put the food dish in there. Tallulah is very impatient, and it sits really nice in there. You have your water dish. You can leave that out all day. Don't have to worry about tripping over it. And then her food dish, and go ahead. And there she is. It's a good height for her. She's eating. And you can see the bowl stays put and there's no mess. She's at the end, she's licking that bowl, and it's not sliding all over the floor.